up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is the first time I've had the Miata out in 2020. So it has been the first startup, the first drive, and I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update on the EcoTec swap. And for the first day driving it after sitting for, it's been probably, what, 6 months? So after sitting for 6 months, it fired up first, well, it struggled a little bit. So it took 3 tries. First time I tried to start it, the battery was just a little dead. And then, you know, a couple tries after, it fired right up and it ran great. So this is the first drive and I'm content. The car has been feeling great. I've got no complaints since kind of the last video. I apologize for not putting any more EcoTec stuff up, but I will get more content on the channel, promise, about the EcoTec and kind of what it took to get the motor in the car. So yeah, the car feels great. It's still as torquey as I remember. And a little bit of an update for you guys, I actually have a supercharger set up waiting to go in. So I will be modifying that and getting it ready to slap on. And hopefully by the end of the summer, we'll have a supercharged EcoTec Miata, tuned. Hopefully gonna be hitting like 240 wheel. So that would be ideal. So let's go for a drive. Just like that, guys, the car is filthy, and yeah, all it took was one drive. Again, the swap feels great. I thought it may be a little bit of, you know, time just to feel like it did when I stored it, or before I stored it. So it feels great. Really happy with kind of going through the swap stuff. I'll keep you guys posted on what's coming up next and the progress. So yeah, thanks for checking in. Tune back in, guys. Peace. Also, this thing runs like a beauty.